Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study the GMAT official guide effectively. First, familiarize yourself with the guide's layout, which typically includes over 900 practice questions. Understand that it covers all three sections: quantitative, verbal, and data insights. This guide is your primary resource for authentic GMAT questions, so treat it as such. It's crucial to approach it systematically for maximum benefit. Before diving into practice questions, dedicate significant time to mastering the underlying concepts. For instance, ensure you understand number properties or sentence correction rules thoroughly. The official guide provides brief concept reviews, but you might need external resources for deeper understanding. This foundational work is essential. It builds the necessary framework for tackling complex problems later on, saving you valuable time and effort. When practicing, work through questions in small, manageable sets, perhaps 10 to 15 questions at a time. After each set, meticulously review every question, not just the ones you answered incorrectly. Pay close attention to the detailed explanations provided in the guide. Understanding why an answer is correct and why others are wrong is key to improving your score. An error log is an invaluable tool. Document every question you get wrong, noting the question type, your mistake, and the correct approach. Revisit these challenging questions after a few days or weeks to ensure you've truly learned from them. Also, practice time management. Aim to complete quantitative questions in about 2 minutes and verbal questions in about 1 minute 45 seconds. This iterative process will significantly boost your performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.